Hey guys, Mario Martinez Jr., CEO of Vengreso, and I'm with my oldest, who actually started my original company, M3 Junior Growth Strategies, that was merged into Vengreso. And I want to ask Marshawn here a question to help all of you guys think about the right professional picture for your LinkedIn profile photo. So, Marshawn, for someone who wants a professional photo on their LinkedIn profile, here we go, look right here. Tell me, should it be a professional picture or a funny picture?
Professional picture.
I can't hear you. What'd you say?
Professional picture.
Okay. Do you think it should have a white background or a black background?
White.
White. Very good. Or could you use green or red to make it pop out and stand out? Yes, you could. Absolutely. And tell me about this professional photo. Should you have a mean face like this? Or should you have a good smile like this?
Good smile.
Why should you have a good smile? Why do you think people want to see a good smile? Louder?
So you could connect to people?
Wow, good. So you can connect to people. What do you mean by that?
Trust. So they could trust you?
Say it again.
So they could trust you.
Right, because if you have a smile, then people might be more prone to actually trust you than not trust you. Is that right? Very good. So there you have it, the words of wisdom from the little guy at 5 years old who started our first company, M3 Junior Growth Strategies, that was merged into Vengreso. Marshawn, come down here. Can you say goodbye to everybody?
Bye.
Take care, guys. Mario Martinez, and check us out at vengreso.com.